Hello everybody, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make the cube in a cube in a cube pattern on the 3x3 Rubik's Cube. So it's basically like that's one cube inside the 2x2 inside the 3x3. Yeah, you'll understand what I mean once you've done the formula. So it is kind of a long formula, but so let's go. Okay, sorry about that. So the first move is the top layer anti-clockwise, like that. Next is the left layer up. Next is the top layer anti-clockwise. Next is the front face anti-clockwise. Next is the right side 2 times. Next is the back face going this way. Next, the right hand side going up. Next, the front side going clockwise. Next, the top face going clockwise. Next, the back face 2 times. Next, the top layer once, like top layer clockwise. Next, the back layer anti-clockwise, so that would be this way. Next is the left layer down. Next, the top layer anti-clockwise, so this way. Next, the front face clockwise. The top face clockwise. Next, the right side up. And then the front side anti-clockwise. And so this is the cube in a cube in a cube pattern, and it also forms on the other side, and it looks really cool. So if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like button, which is right down there, as well as the subscribe button, which is right next to it. And goodbye, see you in my next video.